Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet useful feature on Instagram: how to copy a story link from a highlight. Whether you want to share some memorable moments or promote your brand, this quick tutorial will guide you through the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features available to you. Next, you'll want to navigate to the profile that contains the story highlight you're interested in. This could be a friend, a brand, or even your own profile. Just tap on their profile picture or name to enter their page. Once you're on their profile, look for the highlights section, which is usually located just below their bio. Here, you'll see circular icons representing different story highlights. Scroll through these highlights until you find the one that contains the story you want to share. Now that you've found the right highlight, it's time to take action. Click on the highlight to open it and view its contents. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping the share icon, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Copy Link. This is what you need to do next. By selecting this option, the link to the highlight will be copied directly to your clipboard. Now that you have copied the link, you can easily share it wherever you like. Whether it's in a message, an email, or even on another social media platform, just paste it where you'd like it to go. To paste, simply long press in the text field and select Paste. And that's it. You've successfully copied a story link from an Instagram highlight. This feature is perfect for sharing special moments with friends or promoting content from your favorite accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Happy sharing!